Good day everyone, welcome to Plain Geometry class. I am teacher Angel and I will be your teacher in this session. Okay, let's start. But before we begin our discussion, let us have first the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to define triangle congruence and explain what it means for two triangles to be congruent, identify and describe hypotenuse leg, and use logical reasoning and formal proofs to justify triangle congruence geometric problems. What is triangle congruence? Triangle congruence has this symbol. In geometry, congruent means that two objects have the same shape and size. It is exactly equal in shape and size no matter if we turn it, flip it, or rotate it. We have here the hypotenuse leg theorem. It states that if the two hypotenuse and side of one right-angled triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and the corresponding side of another right triangle, the two triangles are congruent. We have here the illustration that shows the hypotenuse, the two legs, and right angle. Right angle measures 90 degrees. Let's go now to the proving using the HL theorem. We can see the given, the triangles to prove, and the illustration. In the first statement, we can write first the second given, which is the angle W and angle K are right angles. The reason is based on the given. Since we already determined the right angles, in statement 2, we can now say that triangle JWZ and triangle ZKJ are right triangles based on the definition of right triangle, because it states that it is a triangle that has one right angle. In the third statement, we can say that line segment JZ is congruent to line segment JZ based on reflexive property of congruence, because it states there that any geometric figure is congruent to itself, meaning it has the same size and shape as itself. For the fourth statement, we can now write the first given, which is that line segment WJ is congruent to line segment KZ. At last, we can now prove that triangle JWZ is congruent to triangle ZKJ based on the HL theorem, since we already determined the hypotenuse and side of one right-angle triangle and its corresponding side of right angle. I hope you understand our topic. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.